Yes friends, today we're going to unbox these two items. Actually, these two items from Portronics. Okay, this one you can get it from flipkart.com or amazon.com. I'll leave link in the description below. You can go ahead and buy anywhere, but I bought it from amazon.com, amazon.in, sorry. Okay, so this is a car Auto10, a smart audio um, connector, and it has like, it supports a fast charging, and it has a dual USB ports, fast charging, and also compatible with most of the cars. It just needs and uh, that a cigarette inlet, right? Actually, where you can use for charging. Okay, so the price they mentioned is 1,1499, but you can get it around some 800 rupees. Okay, it's very good, guys. Actually, it's like a Bluetooth 5.0, and it's like a high-end FM transmission. The way it works is, right, and basically you can set the FM, the transmission frequency here. After setting the FM transmission frequency, you need to go to that car FM radio and adjust the transmission frequency to that frequency, so that it can get that frequency, and it can receive the frequency, and it can start playing the music for you. Okay, so I'll show the demo. Okay, but this is just an unboxing one. Okay, I'm going to cover that also in the same video. Okay, so it supports micro USB slot and also powerful bass and wireless calling and built-in mic. Okay, let's see what's inside. That's what it is, guys. It's just a manual task. Okay, it's like FM transmitter. Okay, you can just I'll show the demo here. It will show that LCD display. Okay, it's like very cool. Okay, looks really nice. So we need to connect here, this one. So it will show 107.8, the same frequency. Actually, this will act as a FM transmitter. The same frequency you have to set in the FM section also. Here also, like, I'm setting, this is 107.8. Okay, then that's all, guys. And then you need to go to your mobile. For example, I'm in the mobile. I'm go to the settings. Go to the Bluetooth mobile, Bluetooth setting, and it will start searching.
Yummy!
Yeah, it shows Auto10. Click on it.
Now that works.
So click on its pair. Okay. Okay, that's all, guys. It just paired. I'm going to open and play some free music. Okay.
So yummy.
That's all, guys. It's already synced. It's like this is acting as FM transmitter, and this is FM receiver. Okay, and also audio is coming in your stereo speakers. The quality is really nice, guys. Okay, and even you can control your audio in mobile also, and you can control here also. And you can put your SD card also. I'll show you later, okay, how to do that.
Daddy, please. Daddy, where's
Yeah, I'm going to show the demo of how to use a music player. you need to connect from not here, not like this. You have to connect from back side. Okay, then connect it here. So this is the base button, guys. Okay, this is the base 1, base 2, base 3, like that. So after it's connected, right? Actually, this audio controls is here. Are you able to show the audio connects properly?
Me too.
You can play the music from here only. This is just act as a FM receiver, and based on the FM frequency, whatever it's transmitting, you can adjust the volumes and everything here. Here, the best thing is you don't need to worry about your mobile and all. You just need to copy the songs in the memory card. Or USB player. USB drive. So it starts playing, and you can control here only. Okay, I'm going to show now in the SD card. So I'm going to insert a micro SD card here. It's playing from my SD card. That's how it is, guys. It is really easy. Just like a bass. It's like a bass boost button. You don't need to rotate. You just need to press in. This is for the fast charging. Okay. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. And if you're
Yeah, I'll leave a link in the description below. If you're interested, you can go and purchase this product. I really still use this product. It's really good. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in the next video, and also please like this video and also share with your friends if they are looking for any kind of Bluetooth accessories for your car. This is really useful. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye. So this I was removing the memory card. You just need to push it back so that it comes back. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you. Take care.